Morning, everyone. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Acknowledge that we have.
Yep, we have with us here the representatives from Wayne Hospital.
No, and the Caceres, Commissioner Caceres.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Commissioner Caceres is on the phone here. So we are going to go to, first item is any public comments or questions concerning today's agenda.
I actually have a question because I kind of like to get this out of the way, and I apologize for that. But can you just, if Ron could give a quick statement about $91,000 going to the Dixon House? I'd like to just kind of know your thoughts about that and how important that is, and how important that is for helping out the kids.
So, just so you know, there's a lot of things on our agenda, and well, that's why we have a chief clerk to help us through some of the stuff. So the $99,000 is for medical. It's a grant that they just got through the DA's office.
Is it 99 or?
It's 90. I was told it was $99,900.
Okay.
Right.
So
$99,997.
I'm sorry. One more time.
$99,997.
Okay. Whenever if you'd like to give me a quick comment on that, that would be terrific.
Yeah, certainly we at the Commissioner's Office have been supportive of the Dixon House since the time that it opened, and this grant for medical services. I think that most people know that we have a high level of medical services provided through that office through the University of Penn and through CHOP. And I think that that's a real important initiative that the DA has put together, and we will remain fully supportive of the services that they provide over there.
Thank you.
Okay. Sorry about that. That's okay.
Don't do it again.
Yeah. I can't, because I'm moving on. So we'll just have a motion to approve the August 8th, 2024 agenda.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and second. Any questions? All in favor? Aye. So now we're going to move down though to the, under new business, under the motion to adopt, I need a motion to adopt resolution number 2420, National Health Centers Week, August 4th through the 10th, 2024.
I'll make the motion.
Second.
And a motion and a second. All in favor?
Aye.
Ron, could you read that?
Yes, resolution number 24-20, National Health Centers Week, August 4th through 10th, 2024. Community health centers, empowering communities through caring connections. Whereas, for over 50 years, community health centers have provided high-quality, affordable, comprehensive primary and preventative health care in our nation's underserved communities, delivering value to and having a significant impact on America's healthcare system. And whereas health centers are a critical element of the health system, serving both rural and urban populations, often providing the only accessible and dependable source of primary care in their communities. And whereas the community health center model continues to provide an effective means for overcoming barriers to healthcare access, including geography, income and insurance status, improving health outcomes, and reducing healthcare system costs. And whereas Wayne Memorial Community Health Center employs over 400 individuals, including physicians, dentists, nurse practitioners, physician assistants, certified nurse, midwives, licensed behavioral health therapists, administrative and office support staff dedicated to treating the whole patient, coordinating care and managing chronic and emergent diseases. And whereas Wayne Memorial Community Health Centers launched in 2007 with services in Pike and Wayne counties, and expanded into both Lackawanna and Susquehanna counties, and today encompasses 19 sites offering primary care, women's health, pediatric, behavior health, walk-in care, dental, and podiatric services. Now, therefore, we, the Board of Commissioners of Pike County of Pike, do hereby proclaim August 4th through 10th, 2024 as National Health Center Week. We encourage all residents of Pike County to take part in this week by celebrating the importance and partnership between Wayne Memorial Community Health Centers and the communities they serve.
Thank you, Ron.
Thank you to Wayne Memorial
Yeah,
and
thank
the
you.
Health Center for providing critical services in Pike County. As you very well know, we don't have a hospital in Pike County, so we have always relied on and counted on the surrounding hospitals. But I come from that end of the county and I rely on you, so thank you very much.
So would we have anybody that wants to speak to it, or you just want us to present it to you and then we'll have a photo?
Yeah, that'd be great.
That's what we can do, okay.
We'll do it every
Yeah,
December.
whatever you want, yeah,
Oh,
right.
wonderful.
Okay, so we'll do a, yep.
In front.
You wanna line up in front of the table?
We will
Step
sign
right in here and we'll
the
surround you.
resolution and we'll email the sign of the
Yeah, well, maybe you can knock. Everyone ready?
Okay.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you.
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for coming down to Pike.
Thank you.
Good to see you, nice to meet you.
You too.
Nope, you're gonna take that.
Go back to work.
That's the plan. They don't let us out for very long.
We could have lunch in town, though, there's good lunch in town.
This is true, we can stay less than longer.
You can, yeah, we're all, it will, we will.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Good day.
Okay, let's go back to the top here and motion to approve the July 17, 2024 meeting minutes.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, questions, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion to approve the July 24th and July 31st, 2024 conference minutes.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion to approve payment from the general funds in the amount of $755,838.84.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion to approve payment from the bridge repair account in the amount of $14,451.13.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion to approve payment from the debt service fund in the amount of $84.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion to hire Fran Conti as clerk in the Recorder of Deeds Register of Wills office for a 37.5-hour work week effective August 12th, 2024 with benefits after 90 days. This is a replacement position.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion to recess the commissioners meeting to hold a salary board meeting.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to convene the salary board.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve the July 17th, 24, and 31st, 2024 salary board minutes.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to set the hourly rate of Fran Conti at $13.25 per hour as clerk in the Recorder of Deeds Register of Wills office for a 37.5-hour work week effective August 12th, 2024 with benefits after 90 days. After a 3-month period, increase of 50 cents per hour will apply.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to increase the hourly rate of the following correctional officers to $31.69 per hour effective August 29th, 2024 due to the terms of the agreement between Pike County and ASME District Council 87 for the completion of 2 years of service as correctional officers for the correctional facility Shantae Stanley and Angelica Stewart.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and a second, any questions, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to increase the hourly rate of the following correctional officers to $28.41 per hour effective August 14th, 2024 due to the terms of the agreement between Pike County and the ASME District Council 87 for the completion of 1 year of service as correctional officer for the correctional facility Emmanuel Fletcher Green and Brandon Santana.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, any questions, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to adjourn the salary board.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to reconvene the commissioners meeting.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to open bids for the purchase of fortified flavored beverage bases for the period of September 1st, 2024 through August 31st, 2025, on behalf of the correctional facility.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. Any questions? All in favor? Aye. Mr. Farley?
Yep, one bid on Bernard Police. I think they always bid on that.
The 21st is our next public meeting, yes.
For the minimum. Not that amount, they have it broken down into series, but doesn't have it broken down into a total amount. I'm sorry, it's total bid $9,797.76.
Yes, is it either?
She might be over here.
Can you hear us now, Krista?
No, she can't hear us.
Okay, she just asked me to mute her.
I think she wants to mute herself, so she doesn't. So Christie, you're on right now.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yes, I did mute it and you could not hear us, so I unmuted it.
I have responded already, but thank you.
So the motion to table?
Yeah, motion, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
just the next meeting.
Yeah,
No,
motion,
yeah.
because you didn't find it? Motion.
I did find it, $9,796, but I still would like to look at it, just.
Yeah, so motion to, table it until the August 21st Commissioners meeting.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Number two, motion to authorize the chairman to execute payment application number 7 from L.H. Reed and Sons for the Bennett Avenue Building 1 interior renovations project.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, any questions, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to authorize the chairman to execute payment application number 7 from Myco Mechanical for the Bennett Avenue Building 1 interior renovations project.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to authorize the chairman to execute payment application number 8 from Grimm Construction for the Bennett Avenue Building 1 interior renovations project.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, any questions, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Okay, on to new business number 2, motion to advertise bids for the purchase of groceries and frozen foods for the period of November 1st, 2024 through February 28th, 2025 on behalf of the correctional facility.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, any questions, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion to execute the agreement for subcontracted services between Connect America and the County of Pike on behalf of the Area Agency on Aging.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to authorize the chairman to execute the Dixon House 2024-2026 Pennsylvania Commission on Crime and Delinquency Subgrant Award notification on behalf of the District Attorney's Office.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, any questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Number 5, motion to authorize the chairman to execute the Pike County Public Defender's Office Pennsylvania Commission on Crime and Delinquency Subgrant Award notification on behalf of the Public Defender's Office.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to authorize the chairman to execute the financial statement of funds expended under Juvenile Probation Services Grant for July 1st, 2023 through July 30th, 2024 on behalf of the Juvenile Probation Department.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to execute the letter of compensation on behalf of the Juvenile Probation Department.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, any questions, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion to execute the Juvenile Probation Services Program Grant Agreement on behalf of the Juvenile Probation Department.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to execute Appendix A of fiscal year 24-25 County Human Services Plan Assurance of Compliance on behalf of the Office of Human Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second, any questions, all in favor?
Aye.
Motion to execute the Medical Assistance Transportation Program Participation Grant Agreement and assurance of compliance on behalf of the Office of Human Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion and second. Any questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve the following human service payment vouchers on behalf of the Office of Human Services. Whole home repair in the amount of $20,273, fair in the amount of $750, and the Human Services Development Fund in the amount of $52,419.36.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. Any questions? All in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve the Pike County Home Program payment voucher in the amount of $58.75 payable to the Recorder of Deed on behalf of the Office of Human Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to approve the Pike County Home Program payment voucher in the amount of $50. Is that the same one?
There's two different ones.
There is two different ones,
Same
okay.
amount,
In the amount of $58.75 payable to the Recorder of Deed on behalf of the Office of Human Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. Any questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to execute the sub-grant agreement State Food Purchase Program Temporary Emergency Food Assistance Program 2425 between Ecumenical Food Pantry and the County of Pike on behalf of the Office of Human Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. Any questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to execute the sub-grant agreement State Food Purchase Program Temporary Emergency Food Assistance Program 2425 between Holy Trinity Food Pantry and the County of Pike on behalf of the Office of Human Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. Any questions? All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to execute the sub-grant agreement State Food Purchase Program Temporary Emergency Food Assistance Program 2425 between Pike County Food Pantry and the County of Pike on behalf of the Office of Human Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to execute the sub-grant agreement State Food Purchase Program Temporary Emergency Food Assistance Program 2425 between Blooming Grove Food Pantry and the County of Pike on behalf of the Office of Human Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to execute the purchase of service agreement between Marquis, Montgomery County, and the County of Pike on behalf of the Children and Youth Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to execute the updated purchase of service agreement between Alternate Living Solutions and the County of Pike on behalf of the Children and Youth Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to execute the purchase of service agreement between Valley Youth House and the County of Pike on behalf of the Children and Youth Services.
Motion.
Motion
Second.
is second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Motion to execute the contract for professional service between Northern Tier Research and the County of Pike on behalf of the Children and Youth Services.
Motion.
Second.
Motion is second. All in favor?
Aye.
Under miscellaneous, we have the Pike County extension of calendar events, and then we have an announcement. I think, Tracy, are you here to speak about this? Okay, thank you. Elder Justice Day, August 20th, 24, and Tracy Simon is here to speak to us about that. Thank you, Tracy.
So we're just here to promote Elder Justice Day, August 20th, it's the 10th year for it. And this year's theme is self-neglect, self-care. We've seen an increase in allegations of self-neglect with seniors in our community. So we're trying to reach out to them and help them to identify what self-neglect is and how to take care of themselves. So we are having Attorney Honoré will be speaking, and we also have the Victims Intervention Program will be speaking about domestic violence in seniors, which is actually on an increase. And last year's fiscal year, we received 367 reports in our office for allegations of abuse against seniors, and a high number of them for self-neglect. So there will be lunch, there will be breakfast, vendors, or prizes. So we're hoping to have a bigger and better turnout than we did as last year. So.
Okay, well, we'll see how we can promote it from this office and make sure that people attend. I just sent a text to the press because he left because I know he had something else to do. But we should get Preston to do a story on this before then. We'll urge him to do that. And then Shannon can do some things to make sure that we promote it because it's very important.
Shannon has done a press release and social
I figured she did it already, what am I saying? But we'll get Preston to do
But we'll
something.
continue, we'll do.
Yeah, we'll continue to do it. We'll continue to promote it.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Tracy.
Tracy. Okay, that leaves us to press and public comment. Ed?
It was very lonely today, I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it the rain, or what is it? So I've just got a couple of things, I'm not going through the whole folder, you don't have to worry.
Sir, can I just state your name for the record,
Oh,
please?
Fred Weber, Milford Borough.
Thank you.
I was at the township meeting and they had, one of their correspondences that they posted, which was from the Eastern Pike 537 Intergovernmental Sewer Committee. Who is this?
Who do you think it is? You think it's the
county and the three remaining?
Absolutely,
entities?
because all of us signed an intermunicipal agreement
Right,
back in 2018, and that letter went out to recognize the fact that they dropped the letter off here, saying that they are getting themselves out of the 537 plan, correct?
that's correct.
All right, so we sent it out on that letterhead.
So Eastern Pike 537 Intergovernmental Sewer Committee, are you a legal entity now?
No, I never said we were.
No, I'm just asking a question, I didn't say you did.
Nope.
I'm just asking a question.
Well, it's because I heard some of this stuff already. You know, the reason the letterhead was created was because the letter needed to come from the group of people that sit at this table once every month.
Mhm.
It should not come on a letterhead in our mind from the county of Pike, the borough of Milford, the borough of Matamoros, or the borough or the township of Westfall. So it was figured, let's send this because it seems something to make everybody would understand who that group is. Well, the group is the 537 plan people that signed the intermunicipal agreement
And
back in
so-
2018.
Okay, good. So you've answered both of those questions, that's fine. So on to, I just want to rehash on the no national park, and are you still of the feeling that you do not support redesignation of a national park for our recreation area?
So our position from the very beginning was that there was not information to make a decision either way, so we were not supportive of a redesignation because of that reason.
Okay, so if there were legislation that had an amendment stating such that you could never designate a recreation area as a national park, would you support that?
I don't know, I'd have to see it and look at it, and I don't know if we have the authority to have an impact on that, but I
So
certainly.
you do, I mean, you can mail your local senator or representatives, whoever is sponsoring.
I mean, yeah.
So that's kind of what I'm asking, would you be willing to do that if that came to pass? Which it has.
We know that.
Yeah.
And I think I've already spoken to this,
Well,
to the news media.
I'm just asking, I didn't see it.
Okay, I already spoke to the news media. The legislation has been proposed by Josh Gottheimer out of New Jersey. And I believe we already sent or I've already spoken to the press and saying, you know, we're glad that he proposed that legislation, but the very same reason that we did not have enough information about what a national park designation actually meant.
Okay, good, so you're supportive of that amendment?
Mhm.
Great. That's it, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, motion to adjourn?
Motion.
Thank you, Krista.
Thanks.
Thanks, Krista.
Thank you.